And we're back due to contractual obligation. Just kidding. I wish I were sponsored, but I'm not. That's why there's no ad on this video. But I do have to disclose that I got this box for free. So keep that in mind. If you're just watching this video because you want some discount code, I do have one of those. So you can check the description box and I should link it right there. I believe instead of $18, you get like $2 off. So it's $16. Right now, however, for like their Black Friday sale, you can get your first one for $15. So I think that's worth checking out. And obviously do that code instead. If you missed out on that, then cool. Now you can use mine as a backup. Alrighty, so because this is $18 usually, I'm going to judge it as if I paid $18. Currently, I do both the Glam Bag Plus and the regular Glam Bag from ITEEEEEM, and those are both cheaper and more expensive. So I'm spending $25 for the Plus and I think $12, was it $13? Somewhere around there for the basic box. So that's my experience with beauty boxes. I also used to subscribe to Allure, but I canceled that because they just gave you face masks every time. And I guess I didn't know that. I was just like, what's with all these face masks coming here? And I don't like face masks. I think they're kind of bullshit. So yeah, I just wanted to say I did get this for free. They're not paying me though, and I don't get AdSense or whatever from YouTube videos. I don't make a living off of this. So my opinions are really honest. I don't even have to make this video actually, because what are they going to do if I don't? They already gave me the box, right? So I will be very honest. Here's me opening it. Here's some ASMR opening. Okay, you can get the first looks inside. How is it? Am I going to love it? I seriously have not opened it. That was the first thing. $50 off your first 4-bottle box. Personalized wine. Okay, cool. They also include, I guess, discounts and stuff, and they partner with other businesses who are probably trying to get their foot off the ground or get more customers. And I also got a Vincero Watches $50 gift card. So that's kind of nice. Should I show this? Probably not. I already showed it. If you want to use the code, go ahead. Look at this box. That's actually really nice. All my ITEEEEEM boxes are actually little bags. They're pretty, but yeah, they're like those bubble wrap bags. And the Allure box I got was probably half the size. So this is very exciting. Okay. Now here's the actual unboxing. I can actually use this for storage, so this is nice. I usually just throw out all the packaging. Sorry about it. Wow, this is actually really wrapped nicely. I don't know if they do this for all boxes, or are they giving me special treatment because I'm making a video. I did some research on Reddit, and I heard that they had some really good packaging. So they include everything that's in the box. I don't want to look at it, but they include it in this pamphlet, which is great because ITEEEEEM stopped doing that, and then they started doing it. I don't know. And then they also stopped, and it kind of made me go, I like to know what's in there. That's nicely thrown in there. Well, let's just get over the most disappointing thing first. Okay, we're going to start off disappointing first because this is, I told you already, I don't like masks. I think they're bullshit. This is a mask, but it's a tinier one for under your eyes. Some people love masks though, okay? I will tell you why I like something and why I don't like something, because those same reasons you could hate what I like or you could love what I hate. So there you go. If this makes you excited, whatever. I like Wander Beauty items, their makeup items. I actually have their foundation and I have a video trying that out. So I like this brand and their products. So whenever they're included in a beauty box, I'm kind of like, okay, cool. I know I'll usually like it. But yeah, this is a mask for your under eyes. Their Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. That's cute. Baggage Claim. Their Minimum Effort, Maximum Results. There's aloe, calendula, and camu camu extract. To be fair, I do hear great things about all of these ingredients. So, do I think I need to put a piece of plastic on my face, like dipped in this stuff? Not really. but it's cute. I might just give that to a friend. That's the thing about beauty boxes that I like. If I don't like stuff, I'm the most awesome person because I'm just like, what's up, guys? Do you want this Yacht London loose powder? I'm just going to give it to you for free, obviously. So it makes me feel good that I can just give stuff to my sister and my friends. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's just ramp it up to the excitement. This is a palette. Okay, this is from Last Splash Cosmetics. It's very cute packaging, but I've never heard of this cosmetics brand, so I can't tell you much about it. For all those TikTok witches, here's your new makeup palette. So we have Selenite, Sunstone, Aragonite, Tiger's Eye. I really like Tiger's Eye, the stone. Side note. Rose Quartz, Citrine, Amber, and Onyx. Okay, I'm pleasantly surprised with this because let's be honest, eyeshadow palettes that you get in a beauty box, they're not the most mind-blowing. I mean, they're pretty shite. Pretty shit. Goodness, this is pretty cool. I mean, they're just going on really smoothly, and they're not as chalky as I thought they would be. Exciting. So now, okay, next item is this. Oh my gosh, a Mighty Patch. I've always wanted to try these. Okay, actually excited. Yes, masks are bullshit, but this is different because it's a mask for a pimple, and I do get those. Okay, this is a thin hydrocolloid patch, barely noticeable. If you're in high school or something, I'm not. We're not even going out in public anymore, and we have masks. So, but any other time, if you have a giant zit on your forehead or something, this is great to cover it. I mean, it honestly doesn't call that much attention compared to like caking on foundation on it. Then it just looks like a dry patch and it looks gross. This, at least it could be like, oh, this is a medical reason, or I have a band-aid on it, whatever. And it's supposed to actually like, it looks like it's sucking the gunk out of it. I don't know what's actually happening. It looks like the patch turns white, and then that's when you remove it and your zit should be gone. So that's really exciting. Works best on whiteheads. Oh, I love popping whiteheads the most though. No, this is good. This is why I have scarring on my skin. If they had these that were popular when I was younger, maybe I wouldn't have so many scars. So nice. And this is a very tiny sample. This is called the Rescue Balm by Hero Cosmetics. Oh, post-blemish recovery cream. Oh, awesome. So after that thing removes the blemish, I can do this as a follow-up. That's nice. These work together. Oh, that's so cool. The one frustrating thing about beauty boxes is that I try them and then they don't really give me anything new. I'm kind of like disappointed in that. But these are some new stuff. This is nice. Ooh, what's this? Zodiac B07 Tall Crease Blender. Oh snap, it's a brush. Okay, because I've been using my Anastasia Beverly Hills, the one that comes with one of their palettes. Like, they're not bad. Usually brushes that come with palettes are kind of sucky, but theirs was fine. It just kind of hurts, actually, the brushes, when I blend it in my crease, so it's kind of irritating, and I was like, I need to get a new one. And now I have a new one. That's nice. Does it hurt? Oh, cool. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with my Anastasia one. Maybe I got a junk one, but like there's a few bristles that really like poke and spike into my skin. This is, okay, cool. This one feels nice. I should probably wash it before I just apply it right to my eyes, but I don't really have that sensitive skin because I've wrecked it my whole life. On my lids right now. On my left side, and then I'll do the amber on the right side. Amber is the color of my energy. How's that look? Transformation right before your very eyes. I was gonna give this to someone and now I'm like using the palette, so I can't really give it to them, can I? Whatever. The duality of man. Okay, so rose quartz on this side and amber on this side. Boom. Oh, I thought that was it, but I got another item. You won't believe it, but I already have this, and I just got it in last month's ITEEEEEM box. It's the Ultra Precision eyeliner by Deuce. I don't know what it is, but this is actually one of the best eyeliners for my waterline that I have found. So I am pretty stoked to just get another one of these because I've been going through that one already and it's only been a month. So normally I am irritated at doubles, but this one I'm pretty happy about. Let's recount. We have 1, 2, 3 quote unquote full-sized items and 2 more sample-sized items. And of course, this one's like a really, really sample-sized item. So all in all, yeah, there's 5 things. So here's my thought on this. People who like ITEEEEEM and are like, I want something more than like the sometimes they give you one full-size item. I feel like sometimes they like gyp you on that because it's like a lip product. And I mean, of course, it's always going to be a full-sized item. Or it's an eyeliner. But it's also like $12 or $13. So it's relatively one of the cheapest options out there for beauty box. There's that. And then there's the plus, and that's $25. But this one is like the perfect in between, and they give you like more than one full-sized item. So I feel like if you think $25 is a little too much and you don't want that much stuff and you don't feel like you're going to get through it all, and you also don't want to just spend the $12 or $13 because you want a little bit more, then this Glossybox is a good medium point. That's my point of view on it. And I was hoping it would be that because that's the price point. So, you know, if it's under $20, I'm happy. If it's over $20, then it sounds weird because you are getting a lot of value regardless. But I think I've just been spoiled by beauty boxes lately. But yeah, if I'm spending at least $20 and I want maybe a little more, or I just don't want something that's like this big to be included in a box. But they are $18, and given a lot of the codes that are floating around, you can usually get these for like $15. So in that case, yeah, I think it's a really good value. Will I subscribe to this myself? That's the ultimate test. Not unless ITEEEEEM pisses me off. And they kind of did this month because they didn't include a Murad thing that I wanted and almost everybody else got. So we will see, to be continued. I will update you, and if you see me doing more unboxings, then that means yes, I just subscribed to this myself. Oh my god, you know what, actually you got 6 items. Sorry, I didn't even count this as something because I hate math, but damn, okay, that with the little like gift cards and coupons that you get that, you know, might align with the things that you purchase anyway. Yeah, I think I'm actually pretty happy. I'm a little more satisfied than I am when I spend $25 on ITEEEEEM's products, to be honest. And that sucks to say because I have been getting that for a few months now. I think maybe spending more makes you more disappointed. So I think getting this and just the glam bag version from ITEEEEEM would be the perfect combo. So I might do that. I'll keep you guys updated. Regardless, thank you so much for watching. Again, I do have a code in the description if you want to save some money. And I hope this is helpful for you. I haven't heard of this box, so I'm kind of pleasantly surprised. And I'm kind of thankful that they just gave me one because it made me have some content to share, okay? Versus me just sitting on my ass. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying subscribed. And I will hope to upload more videos, honestly. Like, seriously, thank you for sticking in because I haven't been uploading anything, okay? And I probably won't until someone pays me money or the school semester ends. That's the reality. Okay. Anyways, peace.